Good evening, everybody. I didn't video anything today. I was too busy taking a bunch of stuff out of the old van. I spent the whole day on that, just getting a bunch of stuff out of it. All my subwoofer wiring, my fans, you know, uh, all the extra stuff that I had in there that I liked, that I want. I did leave the lights, and I even left the radio. It's got a nice CD player in it and left that in there. Wired it up correctly because I did have it wired to the fuse panel. That old van still has a 200 watt solar panel, a 40 amp rich solar charge controller, a 20 amp energy DC to DC charge controller, and a fuse panel and a couple batteries. Dimmable recessed lighting, a recliner, a cabinet, a slide out that I used to have my fridge on, and a counter that goes all the way down the passenger side. And probably this weekend I'm going to be putting the sliding platform bed frame back in. So that's how it's going to stay. Whoever gets it, it's a startup. It has an electrical system. It's something to start with. But anyway, this van, still a mess, but more of a mess than it was. Of course, my toolbox right there, that crate full of tools. I still got a stack of flooring that I haven't done anything with yet, a bucket to sit on, my garbage can, a bunch of clutter on the counter. I gotta throw that can away. I just had me a couple sandwiches, but I did put some lights up. I found a couple strings of lights in an old box, so I put lights up around the van. I can see. Anyway, and I also, this morning, I put in the master disconnect because I did use those cables right there that are supposed to go for my solar panels whenever I get them. I put MC4 connectors on the other end of them and connected them to the solar panel on the other van for today, just to add some charge to the batteries in here. That one 200 watt panel really didn't do much. I think it added 5% to the life of them, but still, it was more than nothing. And these batteries are still at like, I think 72% after 2 days of running this fridge and my TV and all this, that, and the other. I'm really liking them as okay batteries. A lot better than the auto parts store deep cycle batteries that I've been using for so many years. But just chilling in a van. Yesterday I swapped a bunch of parts between the two vans, bumpers, grill, race hitch, back rack, all kinds of stuff. Didn't film any of it either. I'm not really good at just hitting record and then working. I just ain't good at that. But of course, when I'm working on stuff, my language probably ain't best enough for these videos anyway. But, just chilling. I'm pulling 130 watts right now between the fridge, which is running at the moment, and 2 strands of lights. Not bad. I've already started stuffing things up above this rim around here, which I need to stop doing because I would like to build cabinets up there, but, that's a few weeks out. I really can't afford the lumber at the moment because I just spent all my money on an electrical system. But, one step at a time. But it's coming along. I still want to build another counter over here. It's not going to stick out far, probably just where the wheel well is, just to cover that up. This base tube will go on top of the wheel well, and then I'll have a place to put my computer. Of course, the water jug right where it was in the other van. The counter will cover that too. I didn't get the fridge pushed back a few inches like I wanted to. That's a project for probably this weekend. But I did accomplish quite a lot within 4 or 5 days, and I'm loving it. Anyway, don't be afraid to start leaving comments and questions and such. I'd be more than happy to answer questions if you got any, or got any suggestions, things of that nature, I'm always up for conversation. Other than that, I'm going to bid you adieu. I think that's how it's said. I don't know. I sound stupid when I try to sound smart. Anyway, to all, happy trails. Have a good night.